Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Google has introduced a new AI model Gemini 2.5. The first 2.5 release is an experimental version of 2.5 Pro. Gemini 2.5 models are thinking models capable of reasoning through their thoughts before responding, resulting in enhanced performance and improved accuracy. In the field of AI, a system's capacity for reasoning refers to more than just classification and prediction. It refers to its ability to analyze information, draw logical conclusions, incorporate context and nuance, and make informed decisions. Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental tops the LM Arena leaderboard, which measures human preferences by a significant margin, indicating a highly capable model equipped with high quality style. Gemini 2.5 Pro also shows strong reasoning and code capabilities, leading on common coding, math, and science benchmarks. Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental model is currently available with AI Studio, Google AI Studio. You can access it by typing aistudio.google.com at your web browser, and here you can explore various models. And currently Google has added Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental that model also. Here you can see the details about this model. Okay, it is best for coding, reasoning, multimodal understanding. Okay, use cases they specified as reason over complex problems, tackle difficult code, math, and STEM problems. Use the long context for analyzing large data sets, code bases, or documents. Okay. And knowledge cutoff is January 2025, so it will be including data up to January of this year. So this is the latest model. Okay, they provided some samples, or we can start with our own instruction. Even I heard that we can create a lot of games just by giving one prompt. Okay, let us start with simple. Let us ask it to create a simple snake game. Okay, so it's a thinking process, right? So it's doing thinking. It's coming up with all the specifications. Maybe if you want to have the game in particular way, maybe we can copy this thinking that thoughts, and we can modify according to our own needs. Okay, we created the code, right? Even it provided the instructions for running this game. So it is using Pygame, right? So you have to pip install Pygame, save the code as Python file, Pygame snake.py, and run Python file. So it's that much simple. It provided all the details. Okay. Actually, it provided two options. One is text-based game, another one is graphical. I have copied the coding from Google AI Studio into separate Python files. One file is for text-based game. Another file is graphic-based games. Okay, there are two files. Actually, both codings were suggested by that Google AI Studio. That means this 2.5 Gemini 2.5. Okay, that new version of Gemini. And I just copied the code. I haven't made any change. And only thing is I just installed the modules, keyboard and Pygame. That also suggested by that model. Okay. Now we can run it, right? So first I will run the text-based one. So it's working, right? It's just a snake game. Okay. So it's working. And next one is graphic based game. So, okay, so we can see the score also. If you want to restart it, press R. I haven't provided anything, just I asked to create a snake game, right? So it's coming up with this one, and in the prompt we can give more details like how we want to develop the game. We can give like instructions, and based on that it will create the game. Okay, it's really a very useful one, but from this is for explaining purpose, but we can use it for any kind of application development. Okay, Either we can create the prompt in an effective way, or we can interactively discuss it. Okay, it's a very powerful model, it seems. Okay, just explore it, and if you have any questions, you can ask.